Hello student, today we're going to perform the experiment sextant, which is used to measure the height of ceiling of the physics laboratory. In this case, this is the apparatus we need. This is the formula we are using to calculate the height. This is the block diagram of this experiment. This is the procedure of the experiment. The least count part, the table for the determination of angular elevation, the calculation part, conclusion and result analysis, precaution, and some viva question related to the experiment. This is the basically block diagram of the device sextant. So we are moving to the. So this is the basic instrument sextant with a stand. In this instrument, these are two mirrors. This is called index arm and this is index mirror. This is horizon mirror. Basically from this device we are measuring not height, we are measuring the angular elevation, and using that angular elevation we can measure the height. This is Galilean telescope. This is the main scale of the instrument. Here you can see these are 3 scale in this. This is called main scale. This is the reference point. This is circular scale, which is having 60 divisions. This is the smallest scale of the instrument called vernier scale, and 0 to 5, total 5 divisions are there. Now if we want to measure the height of any object, firstly we have to make a reference mark like that cross. Red cross is there, you can see, and we have to measure the height of that black cross. ब्लैक क्रॉस तक की हाइट हमें मेजर करनी है इस डिवाइस से, जिसके लिए हमने एक यहाँ रेफरेंस मार्क बनाया हुआ है, एंड दिस रेफरेंस मार्क इज एट 1.5 मीटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड लेवल. दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ दिस डिवाइस ऑल्सो. नॉर्मली 1.5 मीटर की जो हाइट है हम लोगों की नॉर्मल हाइट होती है, तो उस हाइट पे हमने इस डिवाइस को रखा हुआ है, एंड सेम 1.5 मीटर पे हमने रेफरेंस मार्क बनाया हुआ है. नाउ द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द experiment is we have to find the error of this instrument, whether this instrument has some error or not. To check this, through this telescope we'll observe that reference mark, and in reference in this telescope, when you see, you will see two marks. So here you can see the 2 mark of that reference mark, that is 2 images because of these 2 mirror. One is completely mirror, this is the complete mirror, this is half mirror and half glass. So you are getting 2 images, and to check zero error we have to coincide these 2 images. Like this. If these 2 images are coinciding and scale shows 0, 0, 0, from all scale shows 0, 0, 0, then it has no error, but you can see here it is not 0. The main scale is 0, but the vernier scale and circular scale is not 0, so the reading measured from these scale is considered as the 0 error. दोनों इमेजेस को कोइंसाइड करने पर अगर ये तीनों स्केल 0, 0, 0 आते हैं, देन इट हैज़ नो एरर. बट आप इस कंडीशन में देखिए तीनों स्केल 0 नहीं है, तो जो भी रीडिंग आप यहाँ से मेजर कर रहे हो इट इज़ इन 0 एरर पार्ट. So how you will take the reading? See, from main scale it is 0, it is not crossing 1, so it is read as 0. From circular scale it is nearly 48, not crossed 49, so it is 48. And from vernier scale it is 5 division, and the first division you can see is perfectly coinciding with the vernier scale. So we'll write 0 in main scale part. In circular scale will take 48, and vernier division will be 1. And total reading will be the sum of all these three, but not direct sum. Will divide them. No, we'll multiply them with the least count. And the least count of the circular scale is 1 by 60 degree. Least count of vernier scale is 1 by 300 degree. How it is measured? You can see in this there are total 5 division between 0 and 5. So the least count will be 5 minus 0, the two consecutive reading का difference divided by total number of division between them. तो 5 minus 0 अगर हम करते हैं तो 5 divided by total number of division है 5. So 5 by 5 is 1. So 1 degree is the least count of main scale. Similarly for circular scale, total number of division you can see is 60. 50 repetition हो रहा है यहाँ पर 60 तक. तो 60 total number of division, and 1 division of main scale is 1 degree. So 1 by 60 is the least count of circular scale. Similarly for vernier scale, this is the main scale. So इसका जो least count होगा वो इसका एक division, that is 1 by 60 degree divided by total number of division on vernier is 5. So 1 by 60 by 5, that is 1 by 300 degree. So the least count is 1 degree of main scale, 1 by 60 degree of circular scale, and 1 by 300, which is the least count of sextant. 1 by 300 is the least count of vernier scale. Now the zero error part has been completed. We have to measure the height of that black cross. So अब हम measure करेंगे, उसके लिए black cross को हम red cross के coincide करेंगे using this. Now you can see the red and black cross are coinciding. You can see in this telescope that red and black cross are coinciding. At this position you have to measure the angle again, and you can see from this main scale now it has changed. It is showing 9 degree on the main scale. On circular scale it is 35, 36, 38, and on vernier scale the again first division is coinciding. So how you will write in this manual? It is 9, main scale is 9 degree, circular division 38, and vernier is again 1. So by multiplying the least count of all scale you will get the total reading, and zero error जब आप इसमें से subtract करेंगे you will get the angular elevation. B minus A will give you the angular elevation for a particular distance. And we have so similarly this position will be changed, and you have to take 1, 2, 3 measurement at 3 different positions. Like you can see at 2 meter, 3 meter, at 3.5 meter. So why we are taking 3 different or 4 different position? Because जैसे जैसे हम sextant को object के पास लेकर जाएंगे वैसे वैसे हमारा angular elevation बढ़ता जाएगा. आप देख लो अभी यहाँ पर अगर हमने इस distance पर angular elevation नोट किया 9 डिग्री, जब हम थोड़ा सा आगे मूव करेंगे 1.5 मीटर और 2 मीटर इट विल इंक्रीज. सो हमारी पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यहाँ पर अप्लाई हो जाएगी, एंड दिस डायग्राम perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square, and you can find this formula. The capital H, the height of the object, will be the H, which is the height of the reference mark, which is 1.5 meter here. And using this formula, x upon cot beta minus cot alpha. So what is x? X is the position at this point and that point. So x is the difference between these two readings. अगर हमने यहाँ 0 मीटर लिया है और वहाँ 1.5 मीटर लिया है, तो 1.5 minus 0, x is 1.5 meter. And beta is the angular elevation at this point and alpha is the angular elevation at that point. So using this data, in next video we'll do the calculation part and height of the ceiling जो हम calculate करेंगे उसको हमारी actual height से compare करके we'll find the percentage error and this will be discussed in the next video.